I'm so high, so high. They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown. But I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind. I like the way it feels. No need to set off the alarm. No, so I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh, I'm so high, so high. I'm erase the aeroplanes up in the sky. I'm so high, so high. I'm a dream and fall asleep on clouds tonight. Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're back here in North Las Vegas and we're featuring another Lennar home, and Lennar has a trademark of everything's included. So I'm pretty excited about that. Before we proceed, please do not forget to like this video, share this video to your family and friends. You're very welcome to share it to your family and friends so that they can see this video. And also don't forget to subscribe down below so that every time I post a video, you'll be able to see it right away. Also, don't forget to check out the channel page after this video because there's a lot of home tours there per builder. So there's a playlist there per builder, so please check that out. Also, another one thing, don't forget to write your comment down below because there's a structure here on this model home that I wanted to get some feedback from you guys. So please don't forget to comment down below right after watching this video. Okay, I am super excited. Let's do this. Let's do this home together. All right, guys, this is the home. Look at this huge home. This is a huge home, 2,816 square feet. You have your two-car garage with a paver going to your two-car garage. And this is the PRESTON model. Oh wow, this is huge. You have a huge entrance cover here, right? You can put a lot of seating arrangement here. Really nice. Okay, let's check out. Okay. I'm seeing a nice flooring here. It's just a little dark. I guess you can definitely put a lot of lighting here, like recessed lighting all over this first floor so that it is much more brighter. Okay, so on the left side, let's see what's happening here. There's something here. You have, hello guys, there is an immediate half bathroom, which is really nice. Very conveniently located immediately on the left side upon entering the house. And this is also very convenient. Your coat closet is immediately on the left side of the house. So that's good. Everything is immediately after opening the door. You have a mini foyer here. Oh, there's something here again. What is this? Oh, wow. You have a huge storage space. This is very deep. Okay, so they utilize the space underneath the stairs for storage, but technically, I don't know if it makes sense. If that doesn't appear there, meaning the storage space is not there, you can have a very open space here, right? Okay, so let's check out your main living area before we go up. I believe this is the garage, which they technically closed, but we can try. Oh, okay, it's open. Okay. There is no light here, but it looks big. Yeah, I don't know how to open the light. Yeah, it's pretty dark. But that is your garage. Okay, so let's check out your main living area. Oh wow, they decorated this one. There is a wall paneling there, and this is how it looks like. I'm standing on the side of the TV here. Then I'm gonna go on this side. This is our huge window. Again, you know, it looks dark in here because there's not a lot of recessed lighting. So when you put your house together, guys, advisable to put a lot of recessed lighting there. Okay, let's check out what's happening to your kitchen. Okay, so you have the refrigerator there. I believe this is granite. This is not a quartz. You have your microwave there, stove. And then again, they have this water filtration system. And I believe this might be your linen closet. I'm not pantry. Linen closet. It's the pantry. Okay. Oh, there's something there. I'm seeing something outside, but we'll check it out. Okay, so there's an extended counter here. I am here at the corner of your dining area just to have you an idea of what's happening on this side of the dining area. Before we go to that side, I wanted to have that as the last so that we can check the backyard there. Let's go to the upper floor, right? Let's check out what's happening to the upper floor here. Okay, there's a lot of things here, but let's try on the left side. Oh, okay, so you have this is a very spacious loft area here. And then you have some view of the mountains there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's try. Okay, so that is the view of the mountain. And that's the one that I saw a while ago. That's your backyard. Okay, so we'll check that out, what's happening there. You can have your kids study there, right? Or here, sorry. Is that Marilyn Monroe? I can't remember. Her face looks familiar. Yeah, this lady. Comment down below, guys, if this is Marilyn Monroe. Right? Okay. See how they have this movie night? They are scheduling your movie nights already. This is a nice space for your kids to study so that they can obtain the necessary knowledge to become richer, so that they can help a lot of people in the future. All right, first secondary bedroom, I believe. This is a pretty good size. You can probably put like a queen size bed there. Oh, the Beatles, right? You know, the reason why I know Beatles is because every morning, almost every morning when I was a kid, I would hear my father play the Beatles song. And definitely we have this at home before when I was at home when I was a kid. Yeah, I remember we have a lot of this. I just don't know where they are right now. This one, I don't know what it is, but... Okay, so yeah, this is a Beatles fan. That's your closet there. And then, okay, so this is the first full bathroom shared by the, hello guys, secondary bedrooms. And that's your toilet area. Okay, let's check out something here. Okay, so this is the, oh, like that. The lights automatically turned on. So that's nice. This is your very spacious laundry area. And then this is your other secondary bedroom. Let's check out your closet here. Ooh, why this has a walk-in closet. The other one does not have. So whoever's, the other person who's gonna stay on that other bedroom without a walk-in closet is going to be jealous. All right. Where is the master, or the primary? Okay, so I think this is the primary. Oh wow, this is very spacious, guys. See how the seating arrangement, and you still have some space here. Oh wow, this is very spacious. Let me go in this corner of the so that you can feel how it is. You can put your television area there. Yeah, this is very spacious. Let's check out your owner's bathroom. You have your toilet area there. Okay. And then that's your double sink. And then this is your shower area and bathtub. Frosted glass so that they won't see you from outside. Look, guys. And we're gonna take a look at this. This is a very spacious one. Not the biggest, but at the same time, if you put like a cabinetry there, this would make it more larger. Okay. Pretty straightforward design and configuration, but this is very large. This primary bedroom. Okay, let's go back down so that we can check that area where we saw a while ago. Yeah, there's something there. I don't know what it is. It might be a next gen, but it doesn't say this is a next gen though, so I'm not sure. But we should definitely check it out. Okay, so we're back here in the main living area here. Hopefully we can get out, right? Yeah, that one seems separated. Okay, so they normally close this. So we have to check out how we can get there. Maybe on the side entrance. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let me pause this, guys, so we can check out the backyard, right? On the side entrance. Okay guys, so we are here on the side entrance of the house. I just don't know why they are closing the backyard, meaning the entrance to the backyard from the main house if there is no swimming pool, right? Doesn't make sense, but this is it's a mini courtyard in between this structure and this main house. So this is the one that it's closed, that we cannot enter from that side. But I wonder what is this one. Let's check it out. Okay, so it is closed. Let's check out what's happening here. I don't know if we can enter it. Doesn't make sense to me. Oh, there's something there. What is this? Oh, okay. So there is like a, is this a next gen? Because there is a shower here, right? And then there is a toilet here. And there is a bathroom. Yeah, it's a total bathroom. And then you have a walk-in closet here. It's an office. Okay. But I guess you can put like a bedroom here because there is a walk-in closet. Right? why did they separate here it? Right? It just doesn't have a mini kitchen or a kitchenette to make it a next gen. That's probably the reason why they didn't call it a next gen. But why would you separate it from the main house? That's just my question there. Okay. So that's the structure that we saw separate from the house. And let's check out your backyard. This is a huge backyard. Look at how, spacious it is from there. I'm not even going to the very corner of the house, but this is already huge. Comment down below, guys. Would you do this kind of structure, or would you rather have that space included in the main house, right? For me, if it doesn't have a kitchenette, I would rather have it included in the main house so that you can have a much larger backyard, right? That's just my thought process there. I would rather have this included in the main house to add to the square footage of the house if it can't have a kitchenette, because otherwise it's just gonna be just a bedroom. So this is how it looks like, guys, from this side. This is a very spacious backyard. You can definitely put a large swimming pool here, no doubt. Okay, let's go back to the main house. Okay guys, I'm back to the main house. So please comment down below what you think of this beautiful home, and also including that structure there. What do you think of that structure there? Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. Don't forget to subscribe down below and write your comments. What do you think of this beautiful home? And also don't forget to share this video to your family and friends so that they will see this kind of home. I would really appreciate if you can also like this video. And we are growing so fast, guys, and that is because you always watch my videos, so I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there. There is a playlist per builder. Again, guys, thank you so much and have an amazing day today.